Academic Maths Nursery 4 Plus, page 36. Dear children, today we will read about subtraction. Subtraction means to take away or lessen one number or quantity from the original number or quantity. Sign of subtraction is called minus. There are 3 boys in the pool. One boy went out. 2 boys are left in the pool. We can show them all together. We use minus and equal to write it. How many boys are there in the pool now? 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. There were 2 birds. One bird flew away. There is left 1 bird. If you start subtracting as 2 minus 1, your answer will be 1. STEAM activity. Create puzzles with large numbers and operation symbols for subtraction problems. You can perform this activity in groups. Write different numbers on your puzzle cards. Then mark some puzzle cards with minus signs. Now, pick one card showing a larger number. Then place a minus sign there. At last, pick another number and replace it after the minus sign. And give answer after subtracting the smaller number from the larger one. That's amazing indeed. Think and tell. A frog saw 11 bugs and caught 3 of them. How many bugs are still buzzing around? Subtract 3 from 11 and you will get the total number of bugs buzzing around. The answer will be 8. That's great indeed. Dear teachers, clarify the concept of subtraction using concrete objects, pencils, erasers, rulers, lunch boxes, buttons, etc. Tell the children how sets are formed when blocks or other items are subtracted from one another. Show them flashcards and charts to explain the concept of subtraction. Involve them in hands-on activities, building towers, matching pairs, etc., and group learning. Help them with STEAM activity. Have a nice day.